a message goes that the panchayats at the grassroots level have to have due regard for environment, whether it is growing more trees, whether it is saying no to plastic, whether it is cleaning the drains, whether it is doing other works which bring up the overall environment in the village. All this has to be done. Garbage collection पहिले 1 lakh रुपया मेळटालो. आता in the vicinity of airport they get 9 lakhs every year. It has already been cleared by the finance department also. Anywhere where there are markets, there is more economic activity taking place where people throw more plastic or waste around. We are giving them 7 lakhs. Even smaller panchayats are not going to get less than 5 lakhs. So
वास्कोचे सेंट जोसेफ इन्स्टिट्यूटान पर्यावरण दिसा रॅली काढली. ईशा फाउंडेशनान प्लास्टिक वापरप बंद करचे म्हूण जागृती केली.
Only trying, this campaign is only to show to ban single-use plastic, because the statistics show that by 2050 there will be so much of plastic generated that ocean will be so full of plastic and there will be less fish by that time.
दक्षिण गोंयच्या राना खात्यान नुवें पंचायत आनी नुवेचे चर्चीक बरोबर घेवन पर्यावरण दीस मनयलो.
आखो संवसार रुचलो आनी सुदारपाक मनशाच्या हातान दिलो आनी हे उद्देशी हे प्रितमे उद्देशी मनशाक बरी भलायकी आसूंक आनी मनशा हे सुदारणे उद्देशी मनशांक बरी फळां आनी बरें हेल्थ मेळपाक हेंच आमी आयज आमच्या फॉरेस्टाच्या उद्देशी आमच्या नुवेच्या गांवांत आमी कितें भाशेन हिंगा पावल मारता.
कोलवा पंचायतीन स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांक घेवन दर्यादेगे वयलो प्लास्टीक कोयर उखल्लो.
With the children are going to collect all the waste which is littered on the beach to protect our mother earth, which is the need of the soul.
Please keep all the beaches clean and clean our surrounding and.
चिंचिनी पंचायतीची मेगा क्लीनअप ड्राइव झाली.
And this is a small initiative to educate the children and also the elders that what plastic is very bad for us. In future, if we go on like this, then there will be no tourism in Goa. The beaches, the seas will be clogged, the rivers are already clogged. And whatever beautiful of Goa is left will be finished.
Bureau report, Prudent.